This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help how to study for the NCLEX-PN step by step. Begin by taking a timed diagnostic test to target gaps, then build a focused plan from results. Aim for consistent short sessions rather than marathon cramming, and rotate subjects to stay engaged. Use active recall and spaced repetition with flashcards, and track progress weekly to adjust priorities and maintain momentum toward exam readiness. Apply active study methods like teaching concepts aloud and writing answers from memory before checking solutions. Schedule spaced repetition for medications, labs, and safety topics to transfer facts into long-term memory. Work mixed blocks of NCLEX-style questions and review rationales closely, noting patterns and test-taking traps. Balance practice with concept review to build intuition and reduce anxiety on exam day, while keeping short, consistent study sessions throughout the week. Focus on clinical priorities like safety, infection control, and delegation skills that appear often on the NCLEX-PN. Learn high-yield medication facts including common dosages and serious side effects, and rehearse nursing actions for emergencies. Drill prioritization scenarios and basic calculations until they feel automatic. Combining knowledge with decision-making practice helps you answer faster and with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.